Hi, I'm Lyndall. I live in Enoggera, Brisbane. My husband and I have 3 children together and we love this area because of the parks and schools. My husband actually works interstate, so it's me and the children during the week. So we do lots of fun activities after school. Our movie nights normally involve popcorn each, a little juice, and we turn the lights off, don't we?
Stole what I was going to say.
This room's really frustrating because we're using a lot of makeshift furniture because we've just moved in. So we've got the TV on a coffee table and we've got the computer on a kid's desk. It's big, open, bare space. It's the storage box, the living room, the TV, the computer, all in the one room with no actual design. I'd like it to feel more like a room with just a walkway, maybe even on the side. So more closed in for the living space. I was just shocked at how amazing it was. The whole mood's changed. It just is lively and comforting.
It's very filled in and colourful, and I like the big couch, and the rug is so fluffy.
They live in here all the time now. As soon as they wake up, as soon as they get home from school, they're playing games, they're making little shops with the coffee table, and there's enough room on the rug that they can lie down and colour in as well.
It is the softest thing in the whole entire house.
We haven't turned the TV on actually at all. The workstation is 3 times bigger now, so I have plenty of room to do everything. And the storage, there's so much storage. Lots of shelves and cupboards under the TV unit, baskets for toys and throws, 2 cabinets which we keep the school bags in, so we get to lock away that mess. IKEA provided 6 lamps for us. There's actually light in the room. All the little things that I don't think of, like all the flowers and frames and beautiful quotes that just give it that homely feel, it makes a huge difference.
We love playing in this room.
Now there's a place for everything and more space to be creative.